Psychology shows the average person forgets 40% of new information within 24 hours, but some people forget it in 24 minutes. If that's you, your working memory might be the problem. Here are 7 signs and how to fix them. Sign 1. You walk into a room and forget why you're there. This is called the doorway effect. Your brain treats each room as a new event. It literally clears your mental notepad at the threshold. Sign 2. You read a paragraph and remember nothing. Your eyes moved, your brain didn't. Working memory is like a whiteboard with very little space. New words wipe out the old ones before they stick. Sign 3. You forget what you were about to say mid-sentence. This happens when your mental whiteboard overloads. Researchers found that working memory can hold about 4 items at once. Add a 5th, and something falls off. Sign 4. You reread the same text message 3 times, not because it's confusing, because nothing is landing. Your attention is online, but your memory isn't recording. It's like a camera with no film inside. Sign 5. You lose track mid-conversation and just nod. Your brain is juggling too many open tabs. Each tab takes up working memory space. Eventually, one conversation just falls out of the rotation. Sign 6. You can't do mental math without a pen. That's not being bad at math. That's working memory being too overloaded to hold numbers steady. Numbers slip the second a new thought enters. Sign 7. You constantly need lists for simple tasks. This isn't laziness, it's compensation. Your brain is outsourcing what your working memory can't hold. And that's actually a smart move, if you know why. So what does this mean for you? It means your forgetfulness isn't a character flaw. It's a system running out of space, and systems can be upgraded. Fix 1. Chunk information into groups of 3 or 4. Your whiteboard handles small chunks better than long lists. Fix 2. Say things out loud right after you hear them. This forces your brain to actually register the input. Fix 3. Reduce open tabs, literally and mentally. Every browser tab steals a slot from your working memory. Fix 4. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Sleep clears your mental whiteboard so tomorrow has room to write. None of these fixes take more than a few minutes a day, but they retrain a system you use every single hour. Your working memory isn't broken, it's just been running without maintenance. If even 3 of these signs felt familiar, comment yes below. You're not alone and you're not losing your mind. Subscribe if you want to fix your brain fog for good.